Best Carbon Far Infrared Sauna. Number 1. Lucan Carbon Far Infrared Sauna. This gorgeous sauna is constructed with high-quality natural Canadian hemlock wood. A beautiful and durable wood that serves as an excellent heat insulator. Its glass is tempered for reliable longevity. Equipped with 7 color lights, different colors can produce different effects. The intelligent entertainment system is equipped with 2 high-quality speakers. Benefits from Far Infrared Spa: lowers blood pressure, detoxifies and increases blood circulation, alleviates joint pain, ease pain from sore muscles or aching joints. Besides burning calories, improves skin tone among other benefits. When you play game on your mobile phone, watch movies.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Botaro Carbon Far Infrared Sauna. Maxxis low EMF saunas are constructed with the environment in mind, which accounts for our efforts in using reforested Canadian hemlock wood. Our sauna walls are double paneled, constructed with the thickest interior and exterior wood planks compared to others in the same industry. This all translates to a quality sauna that retains heat more efficiently, heats up faster and wastes less energy. Maxxis 2-person model offers 6 low EMF infrared carbon energy efficient heating panels at 1750 watts, including an industry-leading foot heater that produces a wider, softer heat that is evenly distributed throughout the sauna. Our low EMF infrared carbon energy efficient heating panel heaters are 30% larger.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Sauna Carbon Far Infrared Sauna. Our Far Infrared Sauna for home is constructed with high-quality natural Canadian hemlock wood, high temperature resistance and not easy to deform. A beautiful and durable wood that serves as an excellent heat insulator. The glass door of the sauna room is tempered glass, which is not easy to break or deform. The infrared sauna wall is constructed with double-layer boards, which can better retain heat. The heat conversion rate reaches 99% and effectively prevent heat loss. Effectively save electricity and save electricity bills. The touchscreen panel controls the time and temperature preset from 68 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 60 degrees Celsius.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Smatch Carbon Far Infrared Sauna. Tempered glass door in 6 mm. Vents on top selling, intent for indoor use. 8 low EMF heating plates, 1350 watts power, 10 to 15 minutes quick warm up, 2 advanced 12 volts 4 inches music speakers, Bluetooth connection with your smartphone, LCD panel control of time and temperature presetting from 20 to 60 Celsius, 68 to 140 F, max 60 Celsius, 140 F, auto switch off, modular design, tongue and groove design, quick assembly, easy maintenance, though intended lifespan 12 years, very easy to replace malfunctional component if occurred, professional after sales service always online.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. LTCC DSS Carbon Far Infrared Sauna. Canadian hemlock infrared saunas for home, ships from the US. You can experience a personal sauna faster. 1-person interior space size, seat carrying 440.92 pounds. The minimal footprint is perfect for your master bathroom, bedroom, basement or gym. Enjoying the health benefits of regular sauna use in your own home. LCD panel control time and temperature presets from 20 to 60 degrees Celsius, 68 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Tongue and groove design for quick assembly, 6 mm tempered glass doors, top ceiling vents for indoor use, 1350 watts power, 10 to 15 minutes fast preheat.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.